Here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you recover or reset lost login credentials on a Windows PC, whether it's a local account, Microsoft account, or domain account. Check what type of account you were using. So, here are some clues. If it's a local account, the username has no @ symbol. If it's a Microsoft account, you'll see an email address like your name at outlook.com. And if it's a domain account, that's usually used at work or school and shows something like domain/user. If you lost the password for a Microsoft account, here's what you need to do. Go to the Microsoft Password Reset website. You can use any other device like your phone or tablet and visit account.live.com/password/reset. Select I forgot my password. Click Next, then enter your Microsoft email and solve the CAPTCHA. Choose one of the verification options, like text to your phone, email to a backup email, or answering security questions, though that's pretty rare now. After verification, just enter a new password, then return to your PC and log in. If your local Windows user account password is forgotten, first check if there's another admin account on the PC that you can log into. If yes, go to Control Panel, then User Accounts, then Manage Other Accounts. Select your locked account and click Reset Password. If there's no other account available, continue below. Turn on the PC and interrupt boot 3 times. Just force shut down while it's loading. It will enter the Windows Recovery Environment, or WinRE. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type NetUserAdministrator/active:"yes". Reboot your PC and log in as the administrator. Open Command Prompt again, this time as administrator, and type NetUser your username, new password. Make sure to replace your username and new password with your actual account details. You must contact your system administrator. Domain accounts cannot be reset locally. They will unlock or reset the password using Active Directory and help you rejoin the domain if needed. If you previously made a password reset disk, just insert the disk or USB at the login screen. Then click Reset Password and follow the wizard to create a new one. If you can't recover your credentials, you'll need to boot from a Windows installation USB or DVD. Select Repair your computer or do a clean install. Just keep in mind, you'll lose your data unless you back it up using external tools. For prevention, use a password manager or write down your recovery information. Enable Windows Hello PIN or fingerprint and create a password reset disk. Oh, and always have a second admin user on the system, just in case. Let me know your Windows version and account type, and I can tailor the steps exactly to your situation.